Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue when transferring files on your Windows computer where Windows appears to get stuck halfway or partial through the process of copying or transferring files from one location to another. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend, keep in mind that some programs can be pretty large or some files can be very large, and the time remaining can be adjusted and go up and down as well during the process. So just because of it doesn't look like anything is moving or the speed has dropped off significantly does not mean that it has stopped transferring. So just keep that in mind. That's one thing you do want to consider. Just give more time to run, and that is one consideration I have. And you can also try, if you are having different ports on your computer, if you are using a USB 2.0 port, the transfer speed medium, you may want to switch it to the USB 3.0 port. If a free one is available, that could definitely helps boost to transfer speed guys. If this doesn't help you, then I recommend doing restarting your PC guys, and after restarting your PC, reinitiate the transfer process. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.